Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate customer service with Zendesk easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin automating customer service with Zendesk, first, log into your Zendesk account. Once logged in, navigate to the Admin Center by clicking on the gear icon in the sidebar. In the Admin Center, locate the Business Rules section. Under Business Rules, click on Triggers. Triggers are automatic actions that occur in response to specific events. To create a new trigger, click on the Add Trigger button. You'll first need to name your trigger clearly. Consider naming it based on the task it will perform. Next, you'll set the conditions for this trigger. Conditions determine when the trigger will activate. For example, you might want the trigger to activate when a new ticket is received. Select the condition type from the drop-down menu. Now, add the specific condition, such as ticket is created. Move on to the Actions section. Actions define what happens once the trigger conditions are met. Choose what action you want to perform, such as sending an automated response. You can customize the response message to suit your brand's voice. Additionally, consider adding tags to help categorize the tickets this trigger handles. Once you've set your conditions and actions, review your selections. Ensure everything is functioning as you intended. If satisfied, click on the Save icon to activate your trigger. Next, consider setting up automations for ongoing tasks. Automations are like triggers but activate based on time rather than events. Return to the Business Rules section and click on Automations. Click on the Add Automation button to create a new one. Just like triggers, give your automation a clear and descriptive name. Set the conditions that will trigger this automation. For example, you might want to automate responses to tickets that haven't been updated in 24 hours. Then, choose the actions that will occur when those conditions are met. An example would be sending a reminder to your customer about their unresolved ticket. Once you've filled in the details, click on Save to finalize your automation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.